How to clear videos history on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear videos history on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser, and here you will find these three lines in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click history, and now click video history, and here you will find this one. Here you will find these 3 points here in the top corner, and after you click on it, just click clear video history, and now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.